Alright, how you doing today, guys? This is Alex Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. Today we're going to continue talking about area of composite figures. Again, for 1 and 2 it's really simple. We're just estimating and looking for an estimation of the area. So if I look at the number 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 full squares plus another 2. So that's a total of 11 total squares. Then this one, I'm just going to count this whole thing as 1.5. So 1.5 and 1.5 makes 3. So my total estimated area is that one. Now for this one, I'm going to do the same thing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now this one I'm going to count as whole. So I got 2 more. Just like on the other one, this was 1.5. And then this is going to be half. And then 2 more halves make, 4 more halves make 2 more. So 20 plus 2 is 22, plus 2, 24, plus 3 is about 27. So the closest one is going to be B. Next one, we're going to find the area. Again, if we need to use the area for a circle, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So I hope my battery doesn't run out. This one, clearly see a rectangle right here, which is 5 by something. I got to find what that something is. So I got to find that height. So from here to here is 4. That means from here to here is 1. So this must be 3. So this is 15. Base times height. 5 times 3 is 15. This one is 1 by, it has to be 2 because 5 minus 3 gives me this distance, which is 2. So 2 times 1 is just 2. So the area is 17 feet square. Next one, rectangle. 6 by 4. 6 by 4, which is 24. Semicircle. I'm given the diameter to be 4. So my radius is 2. Pi times 2 times 2, which is 4 times 3.14. 3.14 times 4 gives me 12.56. However, it's a semicircle, so that means I only have half of the area. I gotta divide that by 2, which is 6.28. All I gotta do is add that to this. So my answer is gonna be, sorry, it's not talking about dollars. 24 and 6 is 30.28 meters squared. Next one, I have a rectangle and a triangle. My rectangle clearly 18 by 9. When I multiply that, I get 162. The next one is a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. I know the height is 4, but my base, I gotta find it. From here to here is 18. This is 6, this is 6. So that's 12. So subtract 18 minus 12 and you get 6. So this distance is also 6. So it's a 6 times 4, which is 24 divided by 2 gives me 12. So the area for this one is 12. All I have to do is add them up. 162 plus 12 gives me a total of 174 feet squared. Next one. I have different shapes right here. So I'm going to call this, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to find the area for the whole rectangle, and then I'm going to take this away. So let's do that. So my whole rectangle is 8 by 12. 8 times 12 is 96. And then this piece right here is 3 by something. I got to find what this distance is. I know from here to here is 12. I got 6, and I also got 2. That's 8. So when I subtract 12 minus 8, this is 4. So 4 times 3, because it's base times height, is 12. So I'm going to take away that from the whole rectangle. So 96 minus 12 is 84 meters squared. Next one looks like a soccer field, kinda. So it's a 18 by 8. 18 by 8 gives me 144. And then I have a semicircle, same thing, 18 minus 6, which is 12, minus 6 more is 6. So this is 6. So the diameter is 6. My radius is 3. So pi times 3 times 3. This is 9 times 3.14. 9 times 3.14 gives me 28.26. However, I only have half of the circle, so I gotta divide that by 2, which is 14.13. When I add that to the 144 plus 144, I get 158.13 feet squared. Next one, I have a square because it's 16 by 16. 16 by 16 is 256. Then I have a triangle, which is a 8 by, also 8 because 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. But I gotta divide that by 2 because it's base times height divided by 2, which is 32. Add these two. 256 plus 32 gives me 288 meters squared. Next one, another semicircle. The rectangle is 10 by 15, that's 150. The diameter is 10, so my radius is 5. Pi times radius, 5 times 5, this is 25 times 3.14. 3.14 times 25 gives me 78.5. However, it's only half of the circle, so I gotta divide that by 2. When I divide by 2, I get 39.25. All I have to do is add it with that plus 150, and my total area equals 189.25, and these are feet square. Don't forget to watch part 1 on the link video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for today, guys. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.